Hello all, this is Devyani from freshersworld.com. Welcome to our video channel. Today I'll be telling you on how to attain success with tips and tricks for GATE preparation. GATE or Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering is an all-India examination which is distributed and carried on in nearly 8 zones across the nation. The responsibility is taken by the GATE committee, which contains faculties from IITs of various states and IISc. The exam is conducted to test the comprehensive as well as continuous understanding of the engineering and science subjects. The main intention of GATE is to pick the aspiring, righteous and motivated candidates for PG programs in engineering for national level. The preparation from college syllabus is very important. The main tip or trick regarding time for preparation for GATE exam is never fixed. The earlier you start to prepare, the more you gain. Have a goal in your mind and stick to it. The engineering syllabus of 3rd to 6th semester is where GATE syllabus is covered. Hence, takes a deep preparation from then on. Classroom studies may not be ample for GATE aspirants. Hence, they need a guide or a mentor which can be obtained by a good coaching center. GATE exam is more of problem solving and conceptual analysis, and hence students should make sure to solve more papers rather than memorizing the theories. For the preparation of GATE exam, the student should plan for every month. The student also needs to have a proper plan in order to prepare and excel in GATE exams. The student should possess the complete GATE syllabus with all the study materials. The previous year's GATE papers should be analyzed and glimpsed through to see the topics that have more weightage, and preparation for those higher weightage topics must be made. The students should make sure that they dedicate 2 to 3 hours every day for GATE preparation. Make short notes and write down theories and formulas. Keep revising so that you are familiar with the topic. In the same manner, engineering, mathematics and general ability must be practiced every day for 1 hour, as these topics have 30% weightage in the paper. Practicing mock tests. Make use of standard books like Higher Engineering Mathematics, Dr. B.S. Garewal, Advanced Engineering Mathematics, Erwin Kressing, Advanced Engineering Mathematics, Dr. H.K. Das, General Aptitude by R.S. Agarwal, and plenty more. Once you have prepared with your serious study of about 6 months, start solving papers. Collect previous year's question papers and work on them. Understand the question asked and recollect the topic each time. Take up mock test series in another way where the students can accommodate online pattern and assess the areas where they are strong or weak. Practicing with various papers can give you a good practice and keep your mind fresh with concepts and theories. Revision with 3 months of plan for preparation. Use the first 30 days for complete preparation. Next 30 days, as mentioned, by practicing all mock tests, practice papers and online tests. The last 30 days must be planned just for revision for all the topics. Allot 15 to 20 days for revising all the topics. Make use of the short notes you prepared and revise your subject. Every stream has a separate set of books mentioned, so move on as per it. Each time you take up the mock test or online test, make a note of your result and check you are improving. Pick out the topics that you are weak or left out during the studies. Now then, study those topics. Cope up and make yourself strong in each section and every topic. Keep yourself calm and do your best. The day before the exam, the student should feel relaxed and appear for the exam with a fresh and a clear mind. The candidate should know that the paper for GATE carries 65 questions for 100 marks. Here, general aptitude questions are 10 in number, carrying 15 marks. In the same manner, engineering mathematics will carry 15% of the total marks, and general aptitude will carry 15% of the total marks, and the rest 70% will be of the technical subjects chosen. The paper has multiple choice questions and numerically answer questions too. There is also a negative marking for wrong answers, and hence choosing the right answer can push your score high. Study materials and practice papers are also available, which are very important. Study materials for GATE are ample in number, which can be found online for each stream the candidates belong to. Apart from books, Candidates can get previous year questions paper for GATE along with answers, ebooks, notes, question banks and lot online. Videos and practice materials can also be obtained by registering in certain sites. When you have doubts while preparing for GATE, you can always join online discussions and forums and clear your doubts. In the same manner, group study can be a good way to clear your doubts, where topics can be segregated and each one can now come up with what they understood. In the same manner, mock test is very important to be practiced as it improves speed and time management for the exam. Videos like MIT OCW, Coursera and NPTEL are beneficial for students. Hard work and complete practice with aptitude and technical papers is the only way which can help students clear GATE exams and get to the top National Institute for Higher Education. Researching more materials and paper online and managing time along with practice can help students crack the GATE exam. We will be right back with more such videos. So keep watching. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button below. Thank you.